which you have done, and we'll modify and we'll correct in your file, and we'll figure it out what are the mistakes and what are the things which we need to consider while doing the screen. Okay, first we'll start with the splash screen. Really impressed that you understand what is the splash screen now. So basically splash screen always be the first screen of the application which comes, which shows the application icon, or it just give a small idea what kind of the application is about. So let me just draw here. Make it here. Okay, so this is the your splash screen, this is the my splash screen. Okay, this is really nice, very beautiful. Made this. Okay, now I have already downloaded this screen which we need to follow it here. Okay, so now I'm just resizing it according to the screen size. Okay, now that's perfect, it fits with the screen. Okay, now this is the your element. So what I'm doing it, I'm setting both, making as a group. Okay, so I can select it together only. So I'm just taking it as a copy, selecting it, paste. Okay, then okay, now here let me see. Okay, so here you have kept it a background. Okay, so we don't need a background actually here. Okay, 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 so here it's a mask actually. Okay. Okay, so let me show you that how you can make it this thing. Let's make it a new thing. Okay, splash screen. This is the text. So here you're writing 9.41 and we are making the black color. Let's try with the bold color, and like 10 is very small, 15. Okay, see here fonts are not similar. Okay, but at least it matches with at least like 90%, 80% it's matching. So that is what we are trying to do it here. We are not matching the exact 100%, but at least 80-90% we are trying to match it with the what they have provided, what the design is. Okay, later on I'll show you like how we can use the exact font and what the exact the thing. Okay, but see, uh, for example in this design, if I'll use if I try to make it like text and this part. Now in any other design, if you want to like see, I mean, what is the purpose to show this time and battery symbol and everything? Because in our iPhone, when we open the application or when we use our phone, they have the top in the top bar. It is showing timer in the time, and then it shows the what is the battery, what is the Wi-Fi is on or not, what is the battery status. So in the iPhone, in the phone, it looks like that. So it's fine. I mean, like if we show it or not show it, that is fine. It just gives the general idea that this is how look like behind the time top bar, because generally it's black color, but if you make it like that, then it will show the time bar and the battery symbol and everything. So developer can make it the design accordingly, and if you don't show it, that is also fine. No, nothing is wrong. Okay, both are correct. this is just we are giving them the actual feeling, like the real feeling. But when you see this design in the phone, like you have already installed the actually in your phone, so when you see it in the phone, if the screen without this particular time bar and top bar, that is also fine. Okay, so I'm just showing it to you how you can make it, but both are correct. Using with this top bar and without top bar, both are the correct design. Okay, like, okay, now okay, so now let's try this design with the uh, top bar at least, so because like we can understand how much space we need to give it from the top bar. Because sometimes what we are doing, like, if, because as I said, this is the predefined occupied space by the mobile phone. So if we place any element on in, I mean, like, the top list place, then it will hide behind the top bar. So it just give the designer a simple idea that these are the area are occupied by the top bar. So don't place any element there. Whatever the elements you want to place it, just place it be after that particular space or that particular area. So your element looks I mean, your element looks perfect inside the mobile screen. Okay, so now, as this is the thing, so what we'll do, we will make it uh, the date, the timer which you have made. Now we want to find out the icon for network, Wi-Fi and battery. So as I said, there is a best website which name is iconfinder.com. We'll open iconfinder.com. We'll write it, for example, Wi-Fi. Use it free. Okay, this is the one. This is the one. Okay, we have all type of, this is the, like, corner is coming, and here it is. Okay, Wi-Fi icon. We will download SVG file, so we can modify it anyhow we want to do it. Okay, then we have the battery symbol. Okay, this is the one. Now see, if we are lucky enough, then we can find out the exact same. Okay, but if sometimes if you are not getting the uh, exact symbol, that is fine. We are just trying to get it near about, we are not here in a competition that we want to make it exactly 100%. Just the thing is, like, these are we are learning right now, so we will try to make it 100%. But even if we are not getting it, that is fine. Okay, now for example, here I'll make it, okay, here I'll disable the responsive website, responsive resize, and then I'll make it 20. Okay, then here it is, zoom, control plus. Okay, control plus till it is big. Okay, let's make it a little bit small. Okay, here it is coming, let's try to make it 10. 10 is small. 11 is still little bit. 12, no, 11 is perfect, I guess. Okay, perfect. Now we want to find out for the battery and a network. Now see, in the battery we are having only this much option, so it's fine. We don't need to make it exactly 100%. It is fine, this full battery is showing, so we will download this one. Okay, and we'll use that one. 10. Okay, it's fine. And now the network. The thing is, like, we need to capture the exact word. So this is that, this symbol calls a network, this symbol calls a battery, you know so we need to get the exact word, and according to that we can find out the element. Okay, now see here, network, it is giving different thing. Okay, let me just try to use the mobile network. Yes. Okay. Okay, see, we got the mobile network. Let's just try if we can find out a little bit, more closer with the element. Mhm, mhm. No chance. No worries. Let's just try to use the same one. This is one. Okay, just download it. Download. Here we need to use it. Okay. Okay. Here it come. Disable the response series size. I'll make it here 10. Okay. Here actually they have given the 12 border size. Okay, now what I'll do now, with the big symbol, 12 border size might be required, but when we are making a small element, might be we don't require the 12 much, I mean like this much of big size. We have to reduce it because we are reducing the size as well. So here for example I'm making it as a 1. Perfect. Or let's say 2. Okay, this is pretty much close now. This is small, let's make it 12. Still small, let's make it 15, I guess, for example 15. Okay, border color is a black, and for example this is, I'm making it as a 3 for example, or let's make it as a 4, little bit more thick. Okay, all elements I'm keeping is on the same position. Okay, this is done. Now what I'll do, I'll select all this element, this one, and hit Control G. I'll make it as a group. So what I can do, I can use it anywhere I want it. Now let's see. Okay, this is showing a little bit more thick. Make it 3. Perfect. Okay, Control Z. I just done the Control Z, so I can place it in the same place. Now what I'll do, select one. I'll select the object 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can understand. Okay, I need to take it only 5 shift down. Okay, now the background color is patch. It's something, I don't know what is the exact name of it. I'll capture it and I'll click on add. So wherever I want to use the same color, I can just click on it, I can use it. Okay, so now this color has been applied. Perfect. Now I'll make it lock, like right click, I'll make it lock. So now on this screen I want to apply everything. So it has some dish with with the closed ball, and their name is Day Alright Food Delivery Service. So by this design and this text, a normal user can easily understand this is the something application which gives the services for delivering a food. Alright, so what we will do, let's just try to use the same font, food delivery service, and then three dot. Perfect. Instead of bold, we'll make it um, regular. Okay, and it's italic font, we'll make it italic. Okay, control plus plus plus, so it has zoom, so we can just see how, you know, small size we want to do it. Okay, something like this one, let's make it 13 maybe. Yes, similar, I mean, like, 90% are the same position. Perfect. Make it white color. Fair enough. Control CV. Okay, now DAE. All right, exclamation. And this is the same, I mean, bold, I mean, italic only, but it has the big size, so just make it as a little bit big, and it seems bold as well. Like, see, this is thin and this is bold, so let's make it uh, light italic, bold italic. Okay, yes, bold italic. Okay, generally always use that kind of font which has these different option like bold italic and those things, so you know you can play with around the thing. Okay. Okay, now this is the some delivery service. Okay, food delivery service. So in the keyword we are getting already, we got already some keywords. Some one keyword is food, second keyword is delivery, and third keyword is delivery service. So it's providing a delivery service. So let's just see what kind of icon which we are getting here. Delivery service. Okay, see, we got this one. Okay, let me just try to add the full word, which is food delivery service. Maybe if you can find out something. So this is same food delivery. This is like, okay, yeah, this is again a food delivery, which, like, the delivery boy. Okay, so this is the one more. Yeah, see, this is the one. It's hand and the food. So it's just like, serving a food. So it's like, each and every icon has their own meaning. Now here, see, we need to show something to be filled, so we can apply the white color. If I can use this icon, then it has only a border. I cannot fill the color inside that icon. So what I'll choose, I will choose this one. Okay, and I'll try to remove the hand, and I'll apply the white color to particular object. Okay, now how we can do it, let's just see. I'll download the SVG file so I can, modify with this particular object, with this particular image. Okay, I'll little bit control minus, little bit zoom it out. I'll use this icon now. Alright, so this is the icon, control minus minus, this is the icon. Okay, it's fine. If we are not using the same one, that is also fine. So let's just see how it look like with the same shape. If it looks perfect, it's fine, we can use the same one as well. Okay, nobody's gonna to scold us, or nobody gonna to, tell us that why, or nobody's gonna to make a question why you have used this one. Alright, now this is the one. Let me just remove the screen, and this is how it will look. Now for example, if you want to see how it will look without the hand, then what I'll do, I will just copy and paste it because I want to make this as it is. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll double click because this is a group object. I'll remove this one, select, remove, this is the object, done. I'll remove it, keep it outside because as a design I don't want to show it in the screen. So this is the one, and what I'll do, I'll make it a little bit big, so like for example 60, and then this much. Okay, I think this looks cool. Okay, now see, in their design they have used this object a little bit top. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll make it group and I'll make it center. So this will also look a good practice. Try to use the splash screen. Generally the logo and the text and the whole object, generally it's in the center. I mean, like, most good practitioner and the good practice is to keep it in a center only, because if you are keeping in a center, then it's the equal space you are giving in top and bottom. If you are making for example like this one, then the bottom part looks very blank. So but yeah, if you want to place something up, be the other the element or something, then it is fine. Now I mean, I just got an idea while just giving you the while just talking with you. I just got an idea. What we can do, we can just copy and just paste it. So this is the one object has came. Now what I'll do, let me just see how it looks like. If it is looking good, then it's fine. Otherwise, Control G, and this is something kind of. Okay, no, it's not looking good. Remove, delete. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, and I'll make it in a center. Okay, and then we need to keep it this one. So how many shift we made it in a top? 5 shift. So we'll make it 5 shift down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's perfect. This is done. Our splash screen is done. Okay, now what is a mistake which you have made? You have used this particular icon, you have used this text and this black text, which is totally not matching with the design which I have given to you. It should be white italic. This should be white italic font. Okay, as I said, we need to try to match with the screen. If we are not matching with the 100%, that is fine. 99% try. Let's try with the 90%. Let's try with the at least 80%. This is the same screen. Now see the splash screen, which I think deleted that splash screen. This is the splash screen. Control Z. Okay, I'm just keeping it the screen above your screen and this screen. Now see, this is the screen and this screen. Only what you finding the difference is about the icon. Rest of at least looks similar, but here the logo is different, the text is different, this text is different. Okay, so please never do that. The other mistake which you have done, you have used logo or some icon with the multicolor. Okay, now for example, this is the screen. Why they have used the white color and this dark green, or maybe like a light green or something, parrot color or something like that, light parrot? Why they have used this one? Because the same color combination they will use inside the application other screen. Okay, so if you are using, for example, if you are following this particular design, then you are using light pink, then the light yellow color, maybe like it's a golden color, something around a pink color, a green color. So all this color you need to use it inside the application as well then. Okay, so generally what we are trying to do it, we are trying to use the minimum of the color, which make it neat and clean. Okay, this is the this is once, like, once you start to make a design, you will start to learn like why we want to use minimal color and why we want to use the this kind of the icon. That will give you the you'll get an idea. But this is how we need to do it, the screen. Okay, so I'm deleting it. I'm deleting this screen as well. All right, now I'm adding the new screen. Okay, second thing, I have seen in your in your design, you have placed one artwork somewhere else, one artwork somewhere else. Always keep it in the same size, same. You know, the I'll make it, for example, 70. Always use it in the same, like, 1 2 3, the same sequence. Don't you make it like suddenly one is here, one is like this, one is like this. No. Okay, all right. Now you want to make it a profile screen. Okay, so let's see what is the profile. This is the profile screen, and then we are using this one. Okay, now let's compare with the design what you have made it. Okay, profile is here, this is the text, this is text, this is text, this is text. Okay, image is fine, that is fine, this text is fine, this, okay, here see, this is the gray color is coming because it's not transparent. Okay, this is nice, this is nice. This is the first thing. Second thing, okay, here we forgot to place an arrow. Delivery support, here they have the same size of icon, here we have the different size of icon. It is not aligned, not in the same line. Okay, then you found it, the icon, very good. You find the icon of home, you found the icon of discover location, you found the icon of cart, you found the icon of, okay, you this is, I think you made it, I guess. Yeah, I think you have made it, but it's fine, no problem. This is the, if you, I mean, we'll start to get the icon, and this is the profile. Okay, so the profile looks same. I think something is fishy here. Okay, very good. So you delete mask here. Okay. Alright, so now see, as I said, this is the screen. Okay, now you did it here. This is the, we'll delete it. We'll delete it here. Select it. We'll delete it. Delete it. Okay, so now this will look like same one. We'll save it. Okay, so the second screen, how to design it, I'm making it in another video. Second video I'll show you to how to make it, the second screen.